Today's mountain bikes tend to use three different types of interface systems for bottom brackets and crank arms. As you know, the level of riding increases. People are going faster, hitting larger jumps and gaps, and just generally being more abusive. What we're seeing is a change away from the traditional square taper interface, which is your square spindle and your square taper that just sort of pulls on, is held on by a bolt, to progressively more heavy-duty systems. These systems, while being stronger, they also tend to be lighter and stiffer for the same application. So it's a pretty darn good little continuum that we're moving across. Probably the second most common type of crank interface that we see right now is what's called the ISIS crank interface. It's a splined interface. So instead of just these four-sided square taper, we have a six-sided taper. It's less tapered, but there's more splines, so there's more engagement, more surface area. It's a lot stronger. You're less likely to break ISIS taper instead of a square taper. I mean, you can look at the square taper just swims around inside of ISIS. ISIS has been popular now for about 7 years. It's pretty much getting eclipsed by external bottom bracket systems, which are a two-piece setup. Your two-piece setup, you hear external, X-type, Octalink 2, different manufacturers call it different things, but what it is you have one crank arm, that's your crank arm, and then your spindle, that thing, you've gone from that to that. That's a big difference. And then your bottom bracket, instead of being housed inside a shell on the frame, like it was with ISIS and like it was with square taper, as you can see, there's some threaded cups. This guy lives inside of there. So now with these new two-piece external type systems, your bottom bracket cup screws into the frame like that, and your crank arm slides through there. So you've got wider bearing placement, you've got a larger shaft, and with proper design and engineering, you get a really strong, rigid setup that's going to last a lot longer.